Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B, you know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, I haven't done a Liveglam Morphe You Me in so long. They've been having like collections and stuff, and I just haven't been liking them, haven't been liking them, or I didn't need those brushes at the time, so I didn't get it. What Liveglam is like, it's like three different things. They have a eyeshadow one, a lip one, and a brushes one. But I got the Morphe Me. What you get is brushes from Morphe. Of course, it says Morphe Me, and it's over the retail price of this bag, which is $20. So it's $20 a month, well, $19.99, but $20 round up. And you can skip months. You can switch bags, like with the older bag, because they have other brushes in stock, and then you get points on reviewing it, and then you could probably get a free brush or a free lipstick or one of their eyeshadows eyeshadow palettes. This is Macho Average brushes. It says nacho average brush, that's cute. This is the November bag, and let's just get into it. By the way, if you're interested in after this video, all the links will be down below in the description box. The first thing I have is the 139 tapered crease blending brush, which looks like this, and this retails for $5. It bristles gather to the point, making this perfect brush for defining the crease. That's what it says in the card. I'll see about that. I like success brushes. Also, I like this description mostly because I don't have to go and buy brushes. The brushes are sent to me, The next brush in the bag is 167 oval shadow brush. It looks like this. I always need another brush like this. This retails for $7. I would not pay $7 for this. I mean, usually I pay like $5 for those brushes, or I do it at Ulta and I buy stuff that's close to $15 and I get $3.50 off that coupon. So yeah, $7 for that brush. The other one was $5. Okay. Ooh, this is my favorite brush. You already know what this brush is. This is my crease brush. This is the M321 bullet crease brush. I love this stuff, especially when I was doing my mom's eyes, because she has hooded eyes. This is great for hooded eyes. It's good for blending. It's good for the outer corners. It's for crease work. It's good for everything. I love these small brushes just to get like that detailed work. This is my favorite brush. I go to Ulta and I get this brush all the time because I don't have a Morphe store in New York City by me. I mean, there's one in Long Island, but like that's like LIR, like you gotta pay money to get there, and also you gotta either take the bus or take a cab to there, so that's extra money. Anyways, just to spend money. Anyways, this retails for $5. Wow, I got it in this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. That right there, that's my favorite brush, and I actually needed to get another one because the other one is bended, and I had that for like a good year now. Wow. Okay. So the next brush right here is the 421 mini concealer brush. Blur your imperfections with this flat mini rounded mini concealer brush. I actually would put this for like shimmers for smaller eyes, and also if you want to get that cut crease detailed look. So that's what it's good for. Well, that's what I would use it for. This bag is really good. Oh my gosh, I know we have like one more brush in here. It's the type of brush I don't like from Morphe, the white hair bristle brushes, because they're like really hard usually. This is like the only brush that I'm actually gonna take out the plastic, because I don't know. Yeah, it's harder than the other bristles. I don't like it, but I'll use it. This was just for $8. Yeah, it's the most expensive brush out of all of them, and I would not use it. This fine, slender brush has a dome tip for controlling placement of crease color and still has a soft fluise look. I mean, it's soft, but it's not that soft. It's not like the other ones. I just dropped something. Yeah, that's the only brush that I'm just like, I'll use it, but it's not gonna be like my favorite thing to use. All the other brushes I would love to use. So the total of everything is $30, and I paid $20 for the bag. So basically, I saved $10. And you know your girl love a steal. These are all the brushes. My favorite brush. I got my favorite brush. I'm so excited. I got my favorite brush. Got my favorite mini detailed one because I remember I used to use this with the ombre. And I haven't used this, but it would be great for like a one shadow look. And then I guess I'll use this to like blend it out. But oh, I can't wait to use this tapered brush. I haven't used this tapered brush yet. But these are all the brushes. Ooh, and I am excited. Thank you, Morphe Me. Thank you, Liveglam, for this, because oh my gosh, I mean, I didn't get it for a review. I actually paid for this, but like, thank you for making me like it, because I haven't had you guys on my channel for a very long time. So thank you for giving me something that I actually like. I mean, you get spoilers and everything else. I just saw that it was all eye brushes, and I was like, yo, I need eye brushes. I didn't know exactly what eye brushes it was, and I did not know I was gonna get my favorite brush. So thank you. Anyways, if you haven't already subscribed and you like unboxings, reviews, and everything else, my link will be down below. That button right there that says subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. And also, if you like all these unboxings and stuff, I have a playlist. My playlist will be popping up here or here. And go watch my other unboxing videos, you know, or go watch my last video. And also, head right here. So, videos, playlist, head. Go check it out. Alright, just go check it out. Also, I have my Macari. It will be down below if you want to shop my Macari. Also, I have a code for a clothing line. It's called Tuesdays. If you're interested or you want to check it out, everything will be down below. I always check the description box. Also, if you want to get any of these brushes, I will leave a link down below. Go check it out. Okay, bye. I'm excited. Alright, bye. Okay, I'm done. Alright, deuces.